Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you, my people. How you doing? Good. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Ha. Anyways, look here. Today, guess what day it is? My favorite day. It's Sunday. God's day. Anyways, today, what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to show y'all how to not make the underneath your the hoodie, you know, underneath the hood there. If you don't have an S-Pod now, those guys, you know, I really got a lot of respect for them because they do neaten things up at a very, very costly amount. But the deal is that if you don't have $1,000 to buy a fucking S-Pod, I'm going to show you how you can clean up underneath your hood if you got a Jeep. Because if you got a Jeep and you're going off-roading, you know, you probably need some fucking lights, and you probably need a fucking winch if you're as ignorant as me and you fucking get yourself stuck in the river and Brother Newman loses his shoe in the mud, you know, that kind of shit. You need some lights and you need some recovery, as they would call it, tools. And those take electricity, amps, and batteries, and a lot of fucking wires. So, what I did underneath there is I did my own little method here. Because I didn't have $10,000 to buy an S-Pod, I did this, and I tell you what, it's pretty neat up underneath there. It's not real dirty. It's not all looks like a goddamn fucking Charlotte's Web underneath the motherfucker. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. It's gonna be a little short, sweet video of just some ideals for y'all to if y'all want to, if y'all having a brain aneurysm type thing that you're just fucking, you know, retarded like me. And you can't figure out how to clean up them wires up underneath it. Maybe this will give you an idea, alright? So that's what we're going to be doing, and let's go on out there and check it out. What do you say? Okay, looky here, people. What I did is, I bought these little things right here. Who the fuck that is in my driveway? I bought these little things right here on Amazon. It's just a little simple, weatherproof, waterproof, whatever you want to call it, plug. And what I did is, you can see, you can put them together yourself, make them as long or as short as you want. Don't really matter. But the deal is that what I did is, and I'll show you in another video how we got out to this point. So it's a little ass backwards, but that's okay. I'm ass backwards. Is that we ran these individual hot wires right here that come from my switches. There's 12 of them, because I got a lot of shit on my fucking Jeep. I just take the, well, I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to do an example here, okay? Get that out of the way. This is my rock lights right here, okay? See that? Let's see if you can see on down here. There you go. Here's the rock lights right here. This is the ground and the hot for the rock lights, okay? Now the deal is I'm gonna just solder me one of these ends right here onto the end of it, and then I just use, what I did is I bought a whole lot of wire loom already pre-wrapped with this shit here, because I was at that Ben's Bargain place, whatever the fuck that is over there in God's Country, Indiana, whatever that place is across the river. And what I did is I bought this, and then I just cut them up, you know, 2 wire, just so it was already wrapped. You can wrap the fucking shit yourself. It really don't fucking matter, you know. So then I'm gonna show you here. We're just gonna solder that onto this end right here, and then this I already pre-made, like I said. And this just goes from you know, into your hot right here. Fortunately, the rock lighting is close to this. I use this little, I don't know what the fuck this is. If anybody can tell me why this is fucking here, I thought it was for a battery, but a battery won't fit down there. So because of this power steer or master cylinder for my brakes, so there's no battery that's gonna fit down there unless it's a fucking midget battery. I'm not really sure, but I don't know what it is. I use the platform. I just did a ground thingy me doogle here. Here, I'll show you. Get off there. There we go. See that there? I got them on Amazon too. I got a whole fucking plethora of them goddamn things. So that I use those. Just did one ground, that way I ain't got to keep running ground. wires. And you can just plug right into that, and it's right by my hot wires. So it all kind of works together there. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to solder these on there and show you what the finished rack lights look like. That way you fucking people can do whatever it is you need to do. Okay? See you in a minute. Okay there, pimps and whores. Let's get you straightened out here. Here's the deal, is that we're all done. And my goddamn, that shit got a little tight on there. Anyways, I use this, just this stuff here. It's just, you can get it at Home Depot or whatever. It's just for the to cover up my little soldering right there. And then just slide that on over, and then I use a blue one to go over on top of it in case I need to write on it, because the wife's supposed to make some labels up for them. But until then, I need to know what's what. You know what I mean? So anyways, just to show you, I've got out of the 12, I think I'm using 8 of them right now, or 6, something like that. Anyways, you can see. Come here. Just do this. Just take this off right here. There we go. Look, nice and neat. See? There's my hot down there, and there's the ground that I was showing you earlier. And then, as you can see, it's nice and neat under there. And then when you go into the cab, right here, right there are the switches. See? So, and I'll show you how, you know, we're doing that video on this center dash piece. I called it a center console piece because I'm a fucking retard, but it's actually the center dash piece is what that is. But anyways, that's on another video, so I guess that's about all we got for you today. Okay, people, that's all we got for you today. I hope you enjoyed cleaning up underneath your fucking hood of your Jeep there, and I guess we'll see you next week. I gotta go inside. My daughter, she joined the circus, and she's gone. I guess out with the circus somewhere. I'm not really too sure. I think she's lost her fucking mind. So I'm gonna go hunt her down, and the elephant that she rode off here with, her and their monkeys and the elephants and all the critters. I gotta find them, and then get her back across that bridge to go to school, and I guess I'll spend the rest of the day praying, because God is so good, you know? Piece of shit. Anyways, till next time, I'll see you. And what I always say, keep your Jeep gassed up and stay prayed up, and you'll be alright. Later. Hey, listen, people. Listen, I'm all juiced up again. Listen here. Listen, my wife, she's trying to put a thermostat on her car. Listen, she don't know what she's fucking doing. Listen here, people. I do. Or maybe it's just... Hold on, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Y'all hear that? What the fuck was it? Hold on. Hey. I think there's something under the Jeep. What the fuck is that? Fuck, there she is. If she sees me with my juicer, she's gonna kill me. I gotta go. Bye. Holy shit.